right, so Good Day in Japs reads the email. Please keep me anonymous. I am a gay man and I found love in the midst of pain and heartache. So being in a queer relationship is challenging as society hasn't really normalized such relationships and homophobia still exists. Japs, I met this guy at the store in my area. When I tell you he's those novel scripted men, tall, dark, with melanin skin, and he's got a dimple on his left cheek, and abangani abaclose kakhulu with the gym. His body validates that, and uyinsizwa nje yomzulu iphelele in his late 20s. He asked for inamba yami, but I ended up taking his. I called him the next day, and he said the 3 words, O-I-L-Y. I assume this is I love you. Happy and nervous at the same time, because some people want to play and some people want to commit when it comes to gay relationships. We got into yetu. He swept me off my feet with his words, and ubiyena nje, being him. I found out I'm spiritually gifted, and I was told by umelaphi ukuthi lo engizothandana naye is also in this stream of being spiritually gifted. And yes, he validated this because I dreamt of him wearing spiritual attire. I'm guessing lo him that he dreamt of wearing spiritual attire is the boyfriend now in question. So Anonymous uyaqhubeka with the email. My boyfriend started being distant. No calls, no text type situation. And this being my first relationship, because he was my first love, it hurt. We only met ebusuku because he works during the day. He left for weeks on end as he lives by his workplace, which is far away from home. Ngaphupha of some light-skinned girl with him. Angangambuza kodwa about it. His sister and I are fond of each other, siyazwana kakhulu. And she told me he was getting married. When I asked Usisi about the bride to see ukuthi uyamatcha yini with my dream description, indeed it was her. So, what I'm feeling is unexplained. Shattered in pieces that can never be fixed. Would it be wise to fight for my Mr. Right? Ngoba yena wangisukela? Noma should I leave? Kwavele wangena ingoma kaBrand ekhanda lami. Should I go? Should I stay? I'm in control. Either way. Ooh, Anonymous, I feel sorry for you, my brother. So this is what you and I need to try and assist Anonymous on namhlanje for Ikethile Kethile. He's a gay man involved in a relationship, only to find out ukuthi lo muntu athandana naye is actually getting married to owesifazane. What do we make of this? What does Anonymous do in this situation? Please do give me a call on 0861596596. You can also leave me a WhatsApp voice note on 078-934-2827. What do we make of this? Is it worth him continuing the relationship knowing ukuthi kunomunye umuntu wesifazane ke in the picture? Hey, I don't know. It's a tough situation. Maybe you've been involved in into ebucayi njengale. Awungazisa ukuthi wena waphuma kanjani kuyona. Enze njani bheka?
Umangete.
Unjani?
Ngikhona ngiyaphila ngibonga ithuba. Mhlawumbe ngizokucacisa lokuthi angisiyo inxushe okanye expert kwezothando kodwa le isobala. Ubhudi uyadinga ukuthi aqhele kule situation afuna ukuyifaka kuyona. Siphila esikhathini esibi la khona abantu abangakwazi ukwenza ama choices belandele izinto abayitshelwa izinhliziyo zabo. Ayisilo Mr. Right wakhe ephethwe izimo kuneyingane la eduze komsakazo. Kuthiwa yini ngifuna igama lelast elidefend.
Inkanuko.
Yes, inkanuko. Ngenzeka ukuthi lo muntu beyiphathele inkanuko wagcine elandela uAnonymous. Njengamanje ufaka istress Anonymous. So Anonymous kuyadinga ukuthi ayiqhelanise nesituation engamthatha egcina imfaka kwi-depression. Uma ngabe kushuthi lo uyabhuta useyashada njengamanje, kushuthi uyayazi yena into ayifunayo, afuna ukuyicommita kuyona, nalo yali kuyona, angakwazi ukubeka isifungo phambi kwabantu noNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe ukuthi uyamthanda lo njengoba emfihlile la mfihle khona anonymous okushuthi akanayo leya value angakwazi ukuyenzela ichoice engangane commitment yomshado.
Here's my thing now, Bega. Let me ask you like this, because one of two things is happening with Mr. Right, ne? It's either he is bisexual, ukuthi akamtshelanga anonymous, noma isexuality yakhe yangempela. Perhaps he really is just a gay man. Kodwa uyayigqiba lento ngokushada nalo wesifazane. Right now, anonymous uyena okwaziyo lo ukuthi Mr. Right has been involved with both him as a man and his future wife to be as umuntu wesifazane. Should he then not disclose this information that he has to lo azoshada naye ukuthi ayibo girl into yaziyo yini le ukuthi umnyeni wakho ubuya ushaya ngapha buya shaye nangala, whether bedlala ngami or not?
Uma ngakushuthi uyamtshela ugele lo othenjiswe umshado kuyobe kuukuthi uyamsiza ngoba kubukeke engazuthi uMr Right uyindlu enezimfihlo eziningi uyobe uyamlekelela ngokumexpose nakuba ke uzophinde kudestroy yona le relationship ayifunayo uanonymous bese phinde ezibuza ke yena uanonymous ukuthi uyafuna yini ukuba involved nomuntu okwazi ukugcina izimfihlo ezinjengalezi angadisclose izinto uzoba safe niyena ukuba kuyi relationship nomuntu okwazi ukuthwala imfihlo engaka aqamba amangangaka adeceive abantu abaningi kanje in the process. When we speak about these things, the sexuality, it's 2024. There is no need to stay in the closet of being embarrassed about it. Mina ngazalelwe emakhaya ngakhulela emakhaya ngiyabazi abantu abaphila nesexuality ngeinhlobonhlobo zokuhlukahlukana kwazo abangakaze besifihlele kusukela zizelwe sasibazi silusa nabo ukuthi engathi ayishayi kahle ngalendlela esiyijwayele, but that didn't become a problem. Sesi 2024 sibadala i-society indlela eyayibuka izinto ngayo 18 ngama 18 it's not the same.
All right.
So when I'm also involved nekani lefihlo okusho ukuthi umeme depression kwayena anonymous uzogcina eyifaka situation la khona ezogula khona.
Thank you so much Bega for your call. Let me move on to Uvusi. Uvusi usePine Town unjani?
Kamanja Jeff.
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami.
Ay nginama point out 3 mina la Jeff. Siyabona firstly there's no such thing as Mr. Right. Asidlule lapha.
Okay.
Mase siya ekutheni uyabona ubhuti uyilehlobe umuntu esiliso ingozi. Ongabheki ukuthi behamba ngemlenze nje uyashaya ushaya phansi. Uyingozi kakhulu. Secondly osithathu njalo umuntu esilisa uyayazi into ayifunayo. Ayekho umuntu ozazi njengoba esilisa ngenzo zami sebadidela abantu umuntu sihlakadidekile. Uyazazi ufunayo. It's within him. He wants to be married. He wants to settle down. He wants a family. Kodwa manje uphethwe inkanuko. Ubuya afune futhi ukuphenya yabona iblue ngala ubuya afuna ukuphenya iskate ngala. Wanonza nje akayisize aphume kulesimo lesi. Si toxic.
Okay. All right. Straight to the point. Thank you so much. Phuma kuleo situation anonymous. It is toxic. Still waiting for your call. Ngiyazi ukuthi nawe context shisayo that you would like to give as advice to anonymous. Stuck in a relation, well, not really stuck, but he's torn between whether he should stay or go in this relationship that he has been in with a certain gentleman who's now getting married to owesifazane. Could Mr. Right or Mr. Right now be bisexual, or maybe he's just not comfortable with disclosing his sexuality? He's actually an outright gay man. But where does this leave Usisi that he's said to be getting married to? And this is why anonymous that's written to us namhlanje is a little bit torn on what he should do. Here's some Latoya Luckett. I think the song is right on point with where we are in this conversation. It's titled Torn. Beg your pardon. Hello.
Mazwane.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila sesenjani wena?
Ngiyaphila. Njani weather lapha eHilton? Inkungu. Ayi.
Kunenkungu and drizzling a little bit.
Always. Ngiyalazi udaba. All right, asihlale kulolu daba ke manje lo anonymous. Amise kanjani?
Mazwane, anonymous as much as esenhlungwini, I think mina kumele aligwinye lishisi lahle. Akakaza abe nomuntu azwana naye. Unfortunately lo ubehambe itestela nje impilo
but wadlala ngemizwa yomunye umuntu obeyitshela ukuthi usethola uMr Right.
Yeah.
Akakaze abe nawo Mr Right. Uzohila angaze amspoilela umshado wakhe. Akamiyeke nje because nasemshadweni usazophuma vele because akazazi ukuthi umiphi.
Oh, okay.
So nje ubedlala ngesikhathi somunye umntwana ethi uthola uMr Right. Hayi. Ngeke.
False.
Akaze nje kwaba khona lutho at all.
Awachitho lamanzi ayikho lenkukhu.
Hayi balekile mazwana.
Ngiyakuzwa zwa kahle. Thank you so much. Ngikuzwa kahle. Thank you my brother. Have a great day, okay?
Okay, cheers.
Shapo, angize kuwe Mr Nxele. Sawubona.
So mfethu kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. How are you?
Hayi Mr Nxele ngempela yazi lo muntu bekade esibongo ngempela senkingi.
Kahle ke Mr Nxele ngicela ungimele ndawonye ukuze sizozwana kahle because right now you're breaking and I do want to get to your point before sinqamuka.
Okay. Ngithi mina hayi lo muntu lola my sister hayi ngithi uthole uMr Right ngathi uthole uMr Nxele uqobo.
Ushaye left.
Uthole uMr Left mfethu yazi nje kahle uMr Right abasikase sisi. Banqabile kulomhlaba esiphila ko kahle my sister yena lo munye la kaphethe nomunye iqinise ukuthi lalela la yazi lo muntu wakho lo uyinkinga mfethu ishangala nangala yilulwane le la akaza noma indoda noma umfazi kwayena.
Hayi man.
Awumunye nabe sebona mfethu ngizosho mina nabe sebona ukuthi uyahlala naye noba akahlala.
Kahle ke mina imake Mr Nxele ngifuna siqondise la because there are people who are bisexual. So labo bantu it's not ukuthi ufuna ukuba indoda noma ufuna ukuba umfazi, it's just yena mebona umuntu ubona umuntu akabona ubulili. So let's be able to differentiate between the two, nathi singabi abantu that give into ama stereotypes that already exist, all right? Abantu aba bisexual bakhona emhlabeni.
Yeah, kona bakhona kodwa besingabajwayelanga my sister.
Yeah, but bakhona asibajwayeleni ke fast, quick and in a hurry.
Hayi, sizobajwayela mfethu ngale ndlela yabo badidise ezinye izingane kodwa.
Imake so wena uthi uAnonymous akamtsheli lo wesifazane ukufanele ashade nalo guy.
Yebo, akamtsheli iqiniso. Bakuka nje lo muntu uyinkinga la bese bona omunye uthi uyahlala naye noma akahlali. Yabo. Shap my sister ube right mfethu ngikhonzela amajithalele lapha enkomponi.
All right Mr Left, thank you so much for your call. Have a great day forward. Looking to wrap up this conversation shortly. Let me wrap up with ama voice notes that you have sent on 078-934-2827. If you haven't already, please do hurry on up and squeeze yours in before I wrap up this conversation, and also give Anonymous my little piece of advice about his snacking situation, because it feels like uyena umuntu oyisnackla. What is better than 2 snacks, you ask? Well, 3, of course. Ama snacks you want na 2, duh. You can choose any size drink, bar or snack and get the cheapest one free at Clicks. It's that easy to make it a snack deal. Make snack time your favorite part of your day with Clicks 3-for-2 snack options for those on the go, for those in the know, and for those who just can't get enough of snacking. Clicks, feel good, pay less.
Yabona masinga ngePremier League mntwana. No one has your back better than Showmax. Don't believe me? How about an all expenses paid match day experience on us? It's a sick upgrade here from your phone screen to a stadium in London. All you need to do is simply sign up to Showmax Premier League before March 31st and ungenile withdraw.
Actually is getting married to owesifazane. This was confirmed by the Mr Right sister. So ishoreti yokuthi uzoshada nowesifazane we absolutely do have. And now Anonymous wants to find out ukuthi he is in love with this guy. This guy is picture perfect. Okay, he's everything that you list ukuthi you want this and that and that. Mangabe usathandazela umuntu wesilisa. Ukutholileke lokho. The only problem now is that he has been two-timed with the wesifazane and he doesn't know what to do. Should he fight for this relationship or should he just let things be? Amyeke, ashade, nogeli. And what should he do with ugeli ke manje? Amphahlazele yini indaba ukuthi, hey, my sister, mnakwethu. I suspect ukuthi lo muntu ozoshada naye is either bisexual or he's actually hiding the fact that he is gay. Umandla Smindlo Mashele on Facebook, uthi whether he is the one that proposed or not does not matter. Once the relationship is over, we don't consider who did what first. Gather your strength and gain your self-esteem and move on. What do you think you'll be fighting for since he did not choose you? Accept the truth and move on. Impilo ikanjalo. Utozi Seyile Makutuzela uthi mntase, Askis you had to experience such an inconvenience. However, life does go on. You fight in a marriage, not in a relationship. Save that energy for better and positive things in your life. Okwakho kuseza. Relationships teach us many things, including love and heartache. It teaches us what we want and what we don't want in a relationship, and you better be willing to learn every time you meet somebody. Also, people come into your life for a reason, season, and lifetime. None of it is wrong. You just need to realize that not everything happening to you is in your control, especially into yenziwa omunye umuntu. But you are responsible for your emotions. Akonto wrong ngawe. Thank God ukubonise early that this guy is not willing to commit to you. Life does go on. It shall be well. You cannot force love. Actions speak louder than words. Love and strength to you. I absolutely love it when we give advice to or anonymous, because they are definitely listening to every single piece of advice that comes through on the show. And this is why I always say, when we do give advice, let's remember these are real people on the other side of these letters. As much as we may not see their faces or know their real names, but impilo zabantu. So advice nathi esibanika yona needs to be it needs to be able to be practiced, put into practice, and for their own well-being. My little 2 cents worth, anonymous, is choose yourself. Choose yourself, because law Mr. Right has not chosen you, Stando Sam. If you decide to fight for this relationship that Mr. Right wako has not chosen, you will always be a secret. Because whether she knows that he also plays for the other team or not, but so you deserve better. You don't deserve to be a secret. You deserve to be loved out loud. Everybody does deserve that. When you're comfortable with who you are, and you also deserve umuntu that will love you for who you are and not make you feel like ukumthanda kwakho is something wrong. Okay? Love yourself, choose yourself, phuma kulento, and let bygones be bygones. Owakho umuntu ozokuthanda for who and what you are and love you out loud, who says love and light to you. If, like Anonymous, you also have an issue that you would love the Liftoff family's assistance with, please do send me an email to theliftoff@gagasi995.co.za. See, now we always try our very best to give you the advice ezokuphilisa, ezokwenza ukuthi ube right futhi uzizwe man ukuthi hayi man, I am the girl I think I am. I am the guy I think I am. I deserve true love. I deserve honesty. I deserve somebody who's going to be transparent with me.